Oh my. We are currently on our way to meet up with 300 plus M cars. That's right, you heard it. 300 plus supposed M cars are about to meet up. They're about to do a massive cruise. So far in our group, we have another G80. We're in a G80. We have an M2 and then an F80. So we got a pretty solid little group. But so far, I haven't seen any other M cars on the way. The event is supposed to start in 1 minute. And you'd think if there's gonna be 300 plus M cars, we probably should have ran into some by now. But I guess we're just gonna have to see. So fellas, stay tuned. This might be one of my most bonkers videos yet. I just can't wait to see if any M lights are gonna show up or like 328Is. It's gonna be hilarious. This event was supposed to be private, but I think people started spreading it and they were getting in trouble, so it's gonna be a wild card. The group's the M2 group's killing me. Oh, I think that guy's in our group. Well, fellas, if you're in M cars, this is the event for you. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Look at how crazy this monster truck looks compared to these other guys. Is this my sign to finally get some springs?
Yes.
I think it might be. Yeah, look at that. Oh my. I'm just gonna pretend that's not my car. Look at this guy. Of course he's got to show off. Ooh. That's pretty nice. Oh, look at this. Is this army green? That's pretty clean. Oh, and he did paint matched? Yeah, I wonder how many Isle of Man greens are going to be in this meet. Trying to figure out what colors people are going with. I see a lot of black. Honestly though, look here, we got Isle of Man green there, mine, Duncan's, somebody down there. I think there might be one more down there. Isle of Man green, they're making a show up. They are showing out. We got the M2 crew down here. More Isle of Man. Honestly though, I haven't seen a lot of like X3M, X5Ms. I think they got banished. They're all the way down there. What do you guys think about the Adro kit, huh? You know this guy's serious when he's got the DRLs on. He's got the 888Rs. Very nice. F30s, or not F30s, F80s are growing on me hardcore. I think they look so good. They're so aggressive. And the price point you can get them at is nuts. F80s might be in the future.
F80s?
Now you see, this is the real car right here. Same with the white one over here. E92 M3. That's the dream car. That'd be an insane track build. Oh, yeah guys, I think E92 or an F80 track build would be sweet. We're not there yet, but I think that'd be awesome. I think the 2025s are growing on me hardcore. The headlights, very aggressive. I think it's honestly the move. I think our next one is either gonna be a 25 or 26. I don't wanna swap out the headlights in my current one because I know you can do like a swap. You cannot tell me that does not look so sexy. Oh, we got the Alpina. That's too funny. All right, fellas, I'm about to get copyright striked. That one's pretty clean. Oh, the white on white. All right, fellas, I just realized with our current fitment up front, we could do exactly what that G-Wagon's doing. I think we could even go higher than him. Fellas, we got this sick E30 pulling in right now. Diesel. Look at that.
Hey, I don't let's not get no accidents. I don't want to be crashing and doing stupid shit. So if you're gonna be rowdy, just
Everybody hits remote start at the same time. We're all headed to the casino. Me and Duncan are probably gonna be chilling in the back. He's the one with the other Isle of Man G80. We're not trying to get caught up in the shenanigans, so we're still gonna have a good time. Beauty of the valve controller.
I'm honestly gonna wait.
You're waiting?
These people,
Oh, yeah.
at least a few.
I'm just gonna let mine warm up. About to be putting in my earplugs, dude. Oh, we're like scratching your heads. Look, they got this. Oh man. Yeah, dude, look at how nice the 2025 headlights look. The 2025 headlights are so nice. Going straight to A&A, or are you going by it?
I have no idea what the actual plan is.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll see. All right, dude. There's still so many cars, dude. Look at this. That's probably like maybe an eighth of the cars. Oh, not the coupe. Dude. I'm letting all this madness clear out. It took forever. It took forever to build boost. Well, it actually sounded good for an S55. There goes a dad. Oh, look at this E92 sick. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, that's nasty. Guys, the E92 just gave me goosebumps. But now for the civilized folk, let's cruise. Oh. Okay.
At the next traffic lights, turn right.
Oh, here we go. Dude, that guy's crazy. Yeah, we got half a tank of gas. Actually 24 minutes, it's not bad at all. We should be fine. Oh shoot, dude. Oh my gosh. Yikes, man. That thing's probably totaled. Traffic. Yeah, guys, Duncan's got the CS flash. The downshifts are so much quicker. The blips. What the? I love pillow wars. More pillow wars. Oh my good lord. Yeah, guys, we did leave a little late. You guys saw the Isle of Man green. That thing's probably totaled. Like, that's just so sad. Perfectly good G80 just gone like that. I don't know, maybe on the way back we'll get some more action. Just want to be smart. I at least want to try to get up somewhat with the pack though. But they're probably going really fast. Well, we made it back of the pack. I have no idea what the goal is here. We're just all doing a big loop. All right, guys, I think they're going up on the rooftop. That's the only thing that would make sense.
Rear K-band.
Well, they're on to something here. Oh yeah, I see them up in the parking garage. They're probably just entering from this side. Guys, I'm telling you, man, these F80s are so clean. They're growing on me so hard. Would have been fun to cruise in the middle, but we're gonna try to do it on the way back. Alrighty, so looks like we're at the casino. We got the whole crowd lined up. I think we are gonna go play a little blackjack, have some fun, but you can see we have some company. I think there's also a cop truck in here as well. We got some peeps over here trying out the carbon buckets for the first time. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go play some blackjack, so I will catch you on the flip side. 21, flip side. You get it? Blackjack, 21, we want 21, okay.